clad, brass clad, pussy clad.
Look who the fuck is back.
Cold. She belongs to the street.
Wagwan, bro.
Like a line up lean and fuck. Nah, like.
Say what?
How true?
Oh, suck your mother.
Yeah, wait, what? Wait.
Oh, suck your mother, bad man.
Yeah, fresh line up pussy. Yeah, line up lean up fuck. Your line up like, I say line up say, cookie your fuck. I'm gonna give you a line up, man. Pushing your mother front, batty boy. Watch it. Dog line up lean.
Hey, what's up?
Hey, what's up? Fun. Stop smile, mama. Don't smile. Don't smile, please. Do not smile. Why pray?
Happy birthday to my young boo.
What?
Happy birthday to my young boo. Happy birthday to my young boo. Happy birthday to my young boo.
Like you love money, you know you would. You don't love money, you hear that?
Ah?
If you tell man happy birthday, brother.
Gentlemen, brother, what?
Well, if you tell man happy birthday, yeah, some batty boy you would. A girl if you tell happy birthday, boy.
Batty boy.
The boy go suck your mother. Hard.
Then suck your mother, huh?
Suck your mother hard. They say you look like a batty boy.
Suck your mother, huh?
Gay.
So, you sound like a...
Suck your mother, huh? Yeah. Hey.
Yo, the man sound like a some gay, bro. Why you sound like a gay, dog? Why you sound like a gay? You sound like a gay, bro. Bro, this nigga sound like some gay ass bitch, brother. What the fuck? Bro, yeah, the man say after that.
Bumbo clad, brass clad, pussy clad.
You some fun shit. I nah like one bumbo class. What you deal with? What the badness? Can you give me a green card, mama? I'm gonna live with you.
Rasta. Jobless.
Jobless, so you can't bless me. You can't bless
Are
me.
you Rasta?
Can't bless me.
Are you Rasta?
No, I'm Rasta ni am pussy. Me na ni am pussy, mama. You understand?
What?
Wait.
Oh, what the fuck looks like? No. What that? My brother. Where are you from? The Philippines? You're from Philippines? Philippines. Hey, all it again, no good. No jiba good.
Yo, man.
I don't know your dog. Swear.
Talo. Sorry.
No man, China man, what go on? Malakapila. Yo, the boy move like you don't understand blood clan. Why pray? Bumbo clan. Where are you with?
So, what?
Why badness? Why badness?
What that?
Wanna move like you don't understand me as a people. Believe. I wanna fuck up your food, some man. Chicken butt. Believe, man, what you mean? Fuck it up, man. I'm with you. Yeah. Yeah, man. In it, man. Believe, man. Brawling. Buckler. Hold them. Hold them. That bad, man. That bad. In bad people. Wicked, 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 wicked. You blacker than a motherfucker.
You athlete in the man.
What you say, youth? I don't understand you now. What you say?
What that be, Batty boy?
Batty boy!
You're a Muslim. You look like a batty boy, yes? You really look like one of them boy, them, man. Funny, you're gone, man. You look gone, fruity out, man. Lord Jesus, how we roll up come to. I'm blind and I see me can't see. Which one? Come on, no, man. Hey boy, you're gonna scrawny for the rest of your life. You know, get no gym pussy. Man, gonna scrawny for your whole of your life. You see, you look like a... You look like, you look like an island boy there. Island boy.
Cause I'm an island boy and I've been trying to make.
I'm trying to make it. Island boy. So you look like one of them fool. Look on him now. My nigga.
My mom will beat the fuck out of you.
Ooh, I'm gonna beat her, yes, I'm gonna beat her for the walk on.
My mom will.
So I'm gonna beat him on a batty boy. So hot stab. Stab out her belly what I'm gonna beat. You idiot. Me a beat out him on the boy. Who you man? Yes. Hey boy, chew that down now. You drink water, man. Yes, a fool. You're no bad man, brother. You're show young sign, boy. You know bad. You bad man. You gotta stop showing Egyptian signs. Egyptian size, nigga. Stop showing Egyptian size, man. You look like Elton Shelton, I say you look like you sniff shit. Sniffing shit. Huh? No, you sniffing shit, man. See it there, man. Be a shit that's sniffing. And Papa one pill too. Papa one Molly. Feel tough. Huh? Talk no nigga. Suck your mother boy and come on, man. How are you? Suck your mother idiot boy. You look like a you look handicapish retarded idiot boy. Look handicapish batty boy. Watch him now. Watch him now. Real batty boy now. Watch him. Watch him.
Honey. Bad man, brother.
Bad man and their mother, man. You're a bad boy. Dog, you look like one of whip rat. Hey boy, that fake boy. That fake idiot boy. I'm leave for some tire show you. How are you, man? Boy, suck your man and come from my phone and you can get yourself. Hey boy. Look alive, boy. Look to a girl frig, man. I'm gonna batty boy.
What?
What? Hey boy, change your voice, man, brother. Sound like some look of Fruit Loops. I'm gonna do it.
Okay, fine.
I'm boy. How the man them do it, bro? How the man them do it?
You don't want to know.
Cut off them dreads there, batty boy.
You gotta look, bro.
Drop off them dreads there, you that boy.
You
Look like some map.
Open with the touching yourself.
You look like a map.
The way you was slunched over. You're scaring me, dude.
There's some batty boy now. Some batty boy now, yo. Hey boy, go trim them dreads, man. Look like a map here with your head. You ain't no blood now. I'm gonna do it.
These is just coils.
I don't give a shit.
Light
I
skin
quit.
shit.
Kyle,
You know how light skin niggas be in the
I
bed?
don't know light skin nigga. I don't fuck
you be in
man,
the mirror
brother.
and your
I
shit
don't know
just.
where I talk about.
And you be in that bitch.
I don't
You
know
be in
where I
the
talk
mirror, bro.
about.
Listen.
I don't know where I talk about, but shut up, brother. Shut up, you. I don't know where I talk about. Look like you're too speed, like you're be a spring in the head. You know spring?
Bitches, you retarded.
Beat your mother retarded in that boy. Suck your girl.
Huh?